Yes, let's start by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. So last week we studied Kaya Gamma. Kaya Gamma we have done. So there are 3 types of Kaya Gamma. Okay. Manadi Bado Adina Dana Kamesu Mecha Jaro. So, and then after talking about that, Sayadojis, they discuss about what about the Sura Miraya? Taking alcohol, alcoholic drinks, narcotic drugs, okay, using that one. Is there, because this one is not mentioned in the Kaya Gamma. So also that taking alcoholic drinks and narcotic drugs are not mentioned even in the Vaji Sankara or Vaji Gamma or Mano Gamma. So it means what? Sura Miraya is not included in the 10 kinds of immoral action. Okay, 10 kinds of immoral action. So regarding about it is one of the 5 precepts. Okay, one of the 5 precepts. So for the people, so even for the lay people, the Buddha mentioned that we have to keep 5 precepts. So much less to say is for the monks. The monks, there are 6 avadas for the monks. Many rules for the monks not to use alcoholic drinks and drugs. So regarding that, there are 2 opinions. Because the Buddha don't include this Sura Miraya among the 10 kinds of immoral action, even though they drink, that is not Kamma.
I'm sorry, you mean the Buddha said?
No, that the teachers, they have a 2 different opinion on whether it is a Kamma, whether taking alcoholic drinks is a Kamma-bata. Kamma-bata here means so accomplishment of the Kamma. So whether we really commit the agusala immoral action or not. Okay. So one side is that even though you drink, that is a Kamma, agusala Kamma. But it does not reach to the Kamma-bata, accomplishment of the Kamma, immoral action. So that is one side. Another side is that, yes, even though it is not included among the 10 kinds of immoral action, so if you drink alcohol, then that is also accomplishment of immoral action. They take different references, okay? So Kamma-bata. So firstly, so there is one Jataka, Kumbha Jataka. Okay, Kumbha Jataka. So that in that Jataka, the king of a Deva, the Saka, he sell alcohol So the way he said is very interesting. Here in Bali they are mentioned, Yahweh be wait the wa. Dojari dan Jarandi. So Dojari dan Jarandi, to commit immoral actions. Having drink this one. Okay, after drinking this one, alcoholic drinks, so people commit immoral actions. Kayena Wajaya Chedasa, either bodily or verbally or mentally. Then Nidayan Wajandi Dojaridan Jaridawa. So having committed immoral actions, they go to the hell. Nidayan Wajandi. So Dasa Bonan Gomba Iman Kinata. So please buy this drink. Okay, this drink. It is here is a Bonan Gomba full of the pot. Okay, Gomba is a pot. So that Gomba pot is filled with the alcohol. And then he said, the way he said is very interesting. So after drinking this one, you will commit immoral actions. Because you commit the immoral action, you will go to hell. So please buy this one. So that way. So
I'm sorry, Xiao. Where did he say it?
hmm?
In the Deva world or in the human world?
In the human world,
Oh,
in the human world, in the human world, he said like this. It means he educated. This is dangerous. So you can drink, but after drinking, there will be bad actions. So if we consider that the devas, that the king of the devas was, one thing you can see is that taking alcoholic drink alone may not lead to woeful states. But after drinking that person out of control, then he will commit immoral actions physically, verbally, mentally. And because of that, he will go to Nidaya, Nidaya, okay, hell. So that way. So taking that one, some of the teachers, they said, it does not, if drinking alcohol leads directly to the hell in the next life, then that is what? Kamabata. Because it accomplishes immoral action. But here, another step is, he drink and then commit immoral action. Because of committing immoral action, then he will go to the Nidaya. So that's why they regarded that, okay, Surah Medeya does not lead to what the hell. So, and because it does not accomplish immoral action itself. So in that way, some teachers, they take, it is a no Kamma Bata, okay, and also, but the it is a no Kamma Bata they take, okay, Agama Bata. So here, Agama Bata Wada. Agama Bata Wada is that, so they said, Surah Miriya Banam Bhikkhave Nidya Savadanika. Okay, that is where. That
and
is
sorry, Xiao. Sura Maria, Niram
Bana.
Bhikkhave, Banam Bhikkhave.
Surah Miriya Banam Bhikkhave in the Anguttara Pali, Atthaka Nipada, Anguttara Pali, they are mentioned. The Buddha said, Surah Miriya Banam Bhikkhave. Okay, Ase Vida. Bhavida, Bahuligada, Nidya Sawadanagam, Tirajana Yoni Sawadanagam, Piti Visaya Sawadanagam. So drinking alcohol, okay, taking alcoholic drinks and narcotic drugs. So as a Vidam, do it again and again. Bhavidan developed. Bodhigadam frequently drink. So that one, Nidya Sawadanaka, it leads to the hell. And also, Tirajana Yoni Sawadanaka, it leads to the animal kingdom. And also, Piti Visaya Sawadanaka, it leads to the ghost life. Okay. So, Sabba Lahu, Yo Sabba Lahu. So, Sura Miraya Banasa Vibhago, Manosa Buddhasa, Omadaga Sawadanigo Hodi, Sababahu, the lightest one. The lightest result of taking alcoholic drinks is what? One may be born as a human being, but other as a human being, it will make him mad, crazy. Okay, mad one. Omadaga Sawadanigo. So if it is the lightest result, okay. So in that way, the Buddha explained in the word Sura Miraya, in the Anguttara Nikaya, Atthaka Nibbāda Bali. Therefore, Sura Miraya taking alcoholic drinks and narcotic drugs. So according to that Anguttara Bali, we can directly say that Sura Miraya leads to the woeful states, either in the hell or animal kingdom or ghost, Piti Visaya. So the lightest result will be, even if you become a human being, someone, the drunkard become a human being, he will be mad. Okay, it shows what? It shows a karma, but it accomplishes karma. And also, that's why it produces a result to be born in a woeful state, or even if he born as a human being, he will be mad. Okay. So, and also, so for those who believe that it is accomplished, Kamabhatha Vada, okay, Kamabhatha Vada. So drinking alcohol is an immoral action, accomplish immoral action, and also it lead to the woeful states. So regarding that, they also mention the point Sura Miraya, okay, Sura Bana, drinking alcohol, the feathers like a feather in the Banadipata, there are 5 feathers, okay. So also, in the case of the Surabana also, so as a Banadipata, even if we drink as a medicine, so some people nowadays they take alcohol, you can drink as a medicine, but no, even if we drink alcohol as a medicine, even though we don't make any, we don't commit any immoral action like a killing, stealing, telling a lie, and so on, but it still accomplish immoral action, just merely taking, okay, merely taking alcohol. So that is from the Kamabhatha Vada. Okay, those who believe Sura Miraya Bahana, drinking alcoholic drinks and drugs, lead to the woeful states or accomplish immoral action. Okay, so they use reference to that one. Okay, for those who say no, it does not accomplish.
I'm sorry, Seattle. What is the reference? The reference is the Anguttara Nikaya Atthaka Nibbāda, right?
Yeah. And
Okay.
go to Ataka Nibbada. Also, they take a reference from the Sikkhavada Vibhanga Atthakatha. So, in the Vibhanga, so there is a Sikkhavada Vibhanga. Okay, the five precepts are there. So, over there, also mentioned five regarding the what how Banadipada Arinadana. Also, come this one Sura Mireya Majapama Dhatana became a Kamapata. So taking the two reference, they said drinking alcohol is a Kamapata, Agusala Kamapata, and also it lead to the woeful states. Then Agamapata Wada, those who rejected that view. Okay. Then what do they say is that the Atthaka Nibbada Anguttara Bali. So in that case, what the Buddha say is that whether it accomplishes karma or not, it does not mention. Okay, they argue that the Buddha's statement in the Anguttara Nikaya does not mention whether it accomplishes immoral action or not. But what the Buddha mean by this statement is that it will lead to the woeful states. Okay, so that way, so they reject, and then also they take a reference to the Kumbha Jataka over there. Yahweh Biwaidawa Dojari Danjarandi. Only after drinking, only when they make immoral actions, then it will lead to woeful states. Okay, so that's why for them, for those who reject Sura Mireya Bana is not Kamapata. Okay, so that way they reject. Regarding that, Adadika Sayadaji, he provided his own idea. So what he say is that, so by taking alcoholic drinks, so if we look at the references, two references over there, so Gomma Jataka and Anguttara Nikaya, Atthaka Nibbada Bali. So it is obvious that the Buddha didn't say taking alcohol or drinking alcohol does not accomplish immoral action. Okay, so if it does not accomplish immoral action, so whether it will produce Patisandhi result or not, so whether it has a Janaka Sati productive power, okay, productive power or not, or whether it can produce a Patisandhi result or not, it's not sure. Okay, so for certain people, so that can lead to the woeful states. Okay, for certain people, that may not lead to the woeful states. Okay, so that way, Sayadaw mentioned, and also according to he quote Patisambhida Magga Bali. In the Patisambhida Magga Bali, they are mentioned Kusala Bija Patisandhi Janaka Yewa Kama Bhattadi Voda Kusala Agusala Wholesome and wholesome action. So these actions, only when these actions can be said as they accomplish in action, only when they have a productive power, only when they produce a Patisandhi result. Okay. That the other the remaining one. So if they sometimes it produce a Padisandi result, sometimes do not produce a Padisandi result. So in that case, Kama Bhattadi Nawoda. Okay. Kama Bhatta. Because it is Anegandika, not Egandika. Egandika means definitely. Only when it definitely produces a Padisandi result, we can call Kama Bhatta. If they are not sure, sometimes produce Padisandi, sometimes do not produce a Padisandi result, in that thing we cannot go as a Kama Bhatta. Here, Voda, in that attack Tiga sub-commentary, they are mentioned, Padisambhida Magga sub-commentary, they are mentioned that Voda was here remaining from what has been said means Surabana Dayo. Okay, Surabana Dayo. Drinking alcoholic drinks and using narcotic drugs. Okay. It ripadu. Okay. So the drinking alcoholic drinks and not using narcotic drugs. So sometimes they produce a Padisandi result. Sometimes here means when they commit immoral action, it will lead to woeful states. It will produce Padisandi in the woeful states. Otherwise, it will not produce Padisandi in a woeful state. So in that case, we cannot say it can be included under the Kama Bhatta. So and also Sayadaw keep on explaining. So when some people are using or taking alcoholic drinks and drugs, there are two types. We can classify in two ways. One way, number one is because in the medicine, maybe some of the medicine, there is alcohol, maybe even 1% or 2% alcohol are there. Okay. So other than you are not taking, in your mind, you are not taking alcohol, but you simply know it is what you are taking medicine. So that is one way, because it is already included in the medicine. And then another one is, so we take alcohol as it is. We take alcohol regarding, okay, as a medicine. Okay. So first one is not alcohol. It is included in the in a kind of what, a syrup or what kind of liquid medicine. So in that medicine there is alcohol. So but we don't know if there is alcohol or not, then we take it. That is number one category. Number two category is people take alcohol as medicine. So that in these two types. In these two types. So Sayadaw mentioned that he don't think it is so serious. He don't think it is so serious. It is he don't think it is a big mistake.
Oh, who doesn't think about that? Sayadaw lah.
Bhattacika Sayadaw.
So Bhattacika Sayadaw's idea is he doesn't think the Sura Maria is serious.
No. If we take in the two way, first way is because it is included in the medicine, then we take, that is not big problem. And also second way is people take alcohol as a medicine, not to intoxicate, but as a medicine. Okay, so that one, Sayadaw mentioned. And also he said that nowadays, in the Western medicines, so he heard that in the Western medicines, the alcohol is there, maybe lesser or greater percent. Okay, at least maybe some percent of alcohol is there. Some of the, and also he mentioned that some of them ladies after giving birth a child, okay, so they drink alcohol a little bit, okay. They drink alcohol a little bit as a medicine, okay. So, and also Sayadaw continued to explain in the Surabhana Sikkhapada, in the Bhajitiya Bali, Vinaya Pitaka, there is Surabhana Sikkhapada. Over there mentioned, what is mentioned over there is that, so every time people drink alcohol, it is not free from agusala citta. Okay, so every time people drink alcohol, it is agusala citta is there. Okay, so and also he continued to explain about that statement, because for the Buddhojana, for the training person, okay. So because even when we eat, okay, we eat lunch or breakfast, okay, even when we eat the snacks or we drink a coffee, other than what happened, we try to experience the taste. Oh, very good, very sweet, sometimes very bitter, so we complain. In this way, like or dislike, agusala jittas are there, okay, even when we eat a normal food. So much less to say is in drinking alcohol. Even so, in this regard, Sayadaw explained that number 2 types of the drinking alcohol. So it means taking alcohol as a medicine. Okay, maybe we know that it is alcohol, and also, but in our mind we think, okay, I take it to relieve some of the disease, to relieve from some of the disease. So in that case, so it is not appropriate for the novices, okay, and also for the people, lay people who observe 8 precepts, who observe 5 precepts. So even though you take alcohol as a medicine, it will damage our morality, okay, precept. So that's why they usually don't drink. Okay? Novices, monks, and also lay people, when they take a precept, when they observe a precept or 5 precepts, because they worry their morality will be broken. So that's why they don't. They try to, even though they have a disease, but that disease can be cured with the alcohol, by drinking alcohol. Even in that case, they reject. Okay? They show their nobility. But in the case of the number one, it means because alcohol is already included in the medicine. So maybe the one who drink it, he may not know there is alcohol or not. Okay, so in that case, we don't need to we don't need to be very serious, because we don't know it as alcohol. So for second type is we know as alcohol. Okay, knowingly drink, then it will lead to the breach of a training rule. But if we don't know, but we drink, then it will not lead to the breach of the training rule. And then number 3 category is because we want to drink. That's why drink. Okay, that one is what really breach of a training rule. So what happens if we drink? So if we drink one day, so we know, oh, it's because we have attachment to that taste and also that experience. That's why next day, every day they start to they drink. Okay, asewida, okay, drinking like that's why in Myanmar we say what elderly people they remind that don't drink alcohol. In the very beginning, you are the master of alcohol, and then after some time you will be the slave of the alcohol, because in the very beginning you can control. You have your own limit. Okay, you can control. Sometimes you can live without drinking alcohol if you don't want. So, but if you drink it daily in a daily basis, what happens? Without drinking alcohol, maybe their hands are shaking, trembling. Okay, so they cannot take anything. They cannot grasp anything. Family. So even though without drinking, they cannot. They don't want to eat anymore. That's why they drink. Other than what happened, they become the slave of the alcohol. Okay, so then if they are slave of the alcohol, so if they don't get enough money to buy alcohol, then even you may harm other people. Some people I have read in the news. Some people they get angry even to the parents because they want to drink alcohol, but the parents don't give enough money for him. Then he gets angry in the school and shout, or even they harm their own parents. So alcohol is a little bit uh, better than the narcotic drugs. So some people they use if they are addicted to alcohol or narcotic drugs, they see only that one, and that the drug or that drink become their sole refuge. Without that, they cannot survive. That's why even they kill their own mother, father, okay, because they want to drink. Also, they try to steal any other property at home or other people's property. So many mistakes they commit. That's why the Buddha say in the Anguttara Nikaya, Atthaka Nibbāda Bali. So if you are addicted to alcoholic drinks and drugs, then what happens? It will lead that one to be born in a woeful state, either in the hell or in the animal kingdom or even in the ghost world. Or even if you are lucky enough to be born as a human being, that person who has a drink alcohol, they can be mad. Okay. So during the Buddha's day, and then one day I told you about the Venerable Sakada Mahathera. Sakada Mahathera. So he attained the jhana. He has attained the jhana, also aviññāna. Sakibhava also he attained. So, but he is a normal, ordinary Buddhajana monk, worldly. So one day he was able to defeated the serpent, okay, serpent powerful, or dragon also we can call. That's why people in the Kosambi, they heard that news, and then next day he went there, he went to the city for alms food. At that time, because the people were so impressed by his power, psychic power, so they offer alcohol, okay, alcoholic drinks to Venerable Sagada. Venerable Sagada, he drank then and then fall down, okay, lie down at the gate of the city, okay. So when the Buddha went for alms, the Buddha saw Venerable Sagada like sleeping on the roadside, maybe at the gate of the city. Then the Buddha asked his disciple master, please carry this Sagada and then brought to the monastery. And then if why they put his Manivesagada's head in front of the Buddha. Other day, Manivesagada, well, he is a drunkard at that time. So he lost the conscious, normal consciousness. That's why he turned around and then he put his feet before the Buddha, like that. So that's why yeah. Tainam Bakery Pati Sewanaya Aditi in the Angoda Nikaya, Tiga Nipada Pali, the Buddha mentioned that there are three things in the world, okay, that cannot be satisfied, unsatiable. Okay, there are three unsatiable things in the world. If we take, the more we take, the more we want. Okay, so in the Tika Nipada Angodram Bali, so number one is sleeping. Okay, number one, sleeping. So you never satisfied to sleep. Okay, number one is sleeping. And then number two is taking alcoholic drinks and drugs. Okay, so that the more you want, the more you drink, the more you want. Okay, like a salty water. Number three is sexual activity. Okay, sexual activity. That one also, the more people do, and then the more they want. Okay, that's what these three things the Buddha explained. So that's why don't try. It's better not to try. So some people they try. Okay, just to try. But if you try, you will find it experience. Yeah. So one day I asked my leader, but some of them they drink alcohol. I asked, is it sweet? No, no, no. Is it not sweet? How do you feel? Is it very hot? Is it very hot? And also it is a bitter taste. Even it is a bitter and so hot. You like so much. They like it so much. Then they told me that among the taste, the bitter taste is the most attractive taste. It is easy for the people to be addicted. Okay, so bitter taste is addicted, easy to be addicted. So that way. So then how do we understand with this? With this, so if you drink alcohol, actually it is a no karma batha. The Buddha don't say directly it is a karma batha, but the possibility is there if we drink alcohol and then repeatedly drink, then what happens? Can be born in a woeful state. Or if we are born as a human being, we can be mad or crazy. But not if we are not addicted, it may be okay, stay okay. It is not karma batha, but it can lead to our it can lead to the woeful states. For some people, because it is very difficult to stop if we are addicted. So also in the Singala Sutta, the Buddha explained in the Singala Sutta, Tika Nikaya, the Buddha explained Sura Medaya, so danger of a Sura Medaya. Okay, drinking alcohol, there are dangers. So, dangers. So one thing I remember maybe not all of them, but one thing I remember is what? Because of the alcohol, what? You lost your property. If you are addicted to the alcoholic drinks and drugs, so but you are liable to lose your wealth. Okay. And also another thing is it is prone to be had the problem. Okay, if we are addicted to the alcohol, if we drink alcohol, then what happens? It will damage our health. Okay, and also we cannot control ourselves. Okay, because we cannot control ourselves, we become a more talkative. Okay, sometimes I saw people, they are very silent. They have, even though you ask 2 or 3 questions, they answer only one. But that person, if he drink one day, he drink alcohol and then talk so much, become a very talkative. So, and also, if we are talkative, what happens? We expose ourselves to the danger, to the fighting. Okay, fighting, disagreement. Sometimes even in a very minor case, trivial matter, on that matter, they try to make a big argument and they're fighting. It leads to the fighting. Okay, Tanajani, so loss of the weight, and also loss of health, and also loss of reputation. So if we drink and then fall down on the roadside, sleep there, sometimes what happened? So because we lost the control, even we cannot take care of our clothes. Some people after drinking alcohol, they become naked, no clothes at all. Okay, so very shameful things. So in that way, it will lead us to the what loss of reputation as well. Okay, so in that way, in the Singhala Sutta, the Buddha explained the danger, this is danger of the alcoholic, being addicted to the alcoholic drinks and drugs. Yeah, if we add Anguttara Nikaya, Atthaka Nibbata Pali, then even it can lead to the woeful states, to the animal kingdom goals or to the hell. Even if we are born as a human being, it can make us to be mad. So that's why Sura Miraya, even though not included here, we should avoid. The Buddha described as a lay ethic. Okay, precept of the lay people. So in brief, in the Surabana, drinking alcohol to produce Padisandi result as a Boba Jedana. Okay, Boba Jedana. Okay, Boba Jedana here means what? Boba Jedana means so a committing immoral action. Okay, before committing immoral action, there is a drinking alcohol. Okay, that's why Surabana, drinking alcohol is a Boba Jedana. Okay, this is a Boba Jedana. Lead someone to commit immoral action. Okay. So that the Boba Jidana, you already know in the case of the Abrabariya Vedaniya Karma. Okay, Abrabariya Vedaniya Karma. So that the Abrabariya Vedaniya Karma, we have a study to before, can lead someone to be born in a woeful state. Okay, woeful state. So Sayadaw here in this context, give an example. Okay.
I'm sorry, Xiaodao. You said this Boba Jedana can lead a person
Can lead
to
a
have
person to be born in a woeful state.
as
As
they
Aprapariya Vedaniya Karma.
okay.
Aprapariya Vedaniya Karma. So here, Sayadaw show the simile example. So in the world, there is a there are some certain persons who are very clever. So that's why he don't do he don't commit any crime by himself. Rather, he encouraged other people to commit crimes. So sometimes he may ask other people to kill another one. Okay. So then when the police they go and find they go and try to find the source, the problem, how it happened. And firstly they will catch the killer, the one who killed. And then after examining, after investigating that killer, they come to know that, oh, he was encouraged by, he was ordered by another person. Even though the skillful or clever person, he stayed behind the scene, behind the curtain. But if the killer is arrested, okay, he is the number one. The killer is the number one criminal. And then the one who asked to kill another person, that one is a number two criminal. Okay. Then both of them will be sentenced to maybe 10 years or 20 years in prison. Okay. So also here, and according to Gomba Jataka, you can see, so drinking alcohol is the first. And then Dojirida Jarida, committing immoral action is the second. So in that case, Surabana is a Boba Jitana. Okay. Drinking, killing or committing immoral action, that is Abarajitana. So both of them, okay, both of them can lead, both of them can lead to the woeful states, okay? Because as the person who ordered to kill and also who really killed, both of them were punished to be imprisoned. So also, Boba Jitana, with the Boba Jitana, we drink alcohol. And then with the Abrajitana, we commit immoral action. Both of these actions can lead to the woeful states, can be punished. Okay, can be punished as a woeful state. So that's why this is Surabana. So which one is more dangerous, if you think? Someone who asks other people to kill. And also another person is who really killed by himself. Who is more dangerous? Okay, more dangerous. So yes, Yaraji said, the one who asks is more dangerous because the other people, they themselves may not be there to kill or to commit other mistakes, but because of him,
I'm sorry, Sarah. Who is more dangerous? The killer
yeah, no, not the killer,
or
but
the person
the one who
ordered?
is
Okay.
more dangerous. So also here Surabana is the first step. Surabana is more dangerous than any other immoral actions. Okay. So in that case, Surabana, you can see as a Boba Jitana, it can produce a Pradisandi result as well as it can make other immoral action to be accomplished. Okay. It has a dual function. Okay. So among the two functions, so the second function is to make other immoral action. That one is more forceful. Okay, more forceful. Therefore, in the Gomba Jataka, they are mentioned after drinking alcohol, people commit immoral actions. Okay. So if they commit immoral action, then it will lead to the woeful states. Okay, that is here also nowadays mentioned, theology mentioned what and nowadays what kind any narcotic drugs maybe can be included under the some people they try to include every narcotic drinks and drugs, alcohol under the Surabana. Okay, then theology said please reconsider whether all of them can be included or not. So Surabana, okay, now today we discuss about the Surabana. So Surabana also we even though we take it by mouth, okay, but it is a kind of a bodily action, even though not included here. Okay, so all of them, especially Banadipada, Arinadana, Kamesu Mechachara, these three usually happened in the body door. Okay, body door, Kaya Dwari, in the body door. This body door is known to be Kaya Vinyadi. Okay, Kaya Vinyadi. Kaya Vinyadi means a bodily intimation, movement of the body. Okay, so Kaya Dwara here means a bodily intimation. Okay, if you are asked Kaya Dwara, what is Kaya Dwara? Body door. What is a body door? Bodily intimation, body movement. Tade Kaya Vinyati, Brahmata Dhamma is a Kaya Vinyati. That's why Abhidhamma Sangha provided Kaya Vinyati Sankhadi, Kaya Dwari. Kaya Dwara is nothing but the Kaya Vinyati. Okay, it is mentioned. The Kaya Vinyati here, you may remember when we study Arupa chapter, Kaya Vinyati, Vaji Vinyati, bodily intimation and verbal intimation. So when he make a movement, okay, your hands or your head, okay, which one is more dominant? Which element? So Patawi or Abo or Dejo or Wayo, which one more dominant? So maybe Wayo Dadu. When element. Okay, when element is more powerful. So this is when element Wayo Dadu. So strengthen other co-rising materialities. Okay? And the Wayodadu, for example, but the Wayodadu does not come alone. It comes with the at least eight Awini Bogarupa, 8 inseparable matter, Batawi, Dejo, Abo. Okay. So with the help of the Wayodadu, they was strengthened. Okay. Wayodadu strengthened. Suppose by the time we are sleeping, our hands, our legs, or even our head, okay, they are out of control. Okay, they are not. How to say? They were be placed anywhere. Okay, sometimes hanging and so on. But when we are awake, so or maybe we put our hands on the table, on the chair. Okay, we can place as it is. That is what Wayoda do. Wayoda do strengthened to put, okay, to maintain other materialities in a place we like to put. Okay. So that Wayoda do is also Chitija Wayoda do. So it is produced by the Chitta mind. So Vinyadi Dwayan, Chitija Mewa. These Vinyadis are produced by the Chitta. Because we want to move. I want to move my hand. That's why. Because that the Jada produce a rupa. So in that the rupa, that is a Wayodadu. That Wayodadu work. Okay. So Wayodadu bring our hands, do the place we like to put. So sometimes if we want to move our head, okay, then that is also why your dhatu is functioning. Okay. So that is why your dhatu, when they function, it cannot do alone. Okay. So that why your dhatu alone cannot move. It has to produce a vinyati, okay, intimation. So with that intimation, what the mena, different mena appear. Okay. So that's why vinyati here, kaya vinyati is a kaya dwara. Okay. When we, for example, do kill someone, or maybe do kill a mosquito, okay, it biting your forehead, then do move your hand. Without moving your hand, you cannot kill. Okay, so only with the bodily intimation you can really accomplish. Okay? You can really accomplish the function of the killing. So that's why the stealing also the same thing. Okay, sexual misconduct also the same thing. So regarding the kaya, so first we have to remember there are three types of kaya. Number one is sa sambhara kaya. Sa sambhara kaya. Okay. Sa sambhara kaya here means the whole body. The whole body. Maybe head, including the head, parts of the body, the head, the legs, the hands, the whole body. That is called sa sambhara kaya. Okay. And also pasada kaya. Another kaya is body sensitivity. Okay, body sensitivity is called pasada kaya. Okay, so another kaya is a jobana kaya. Jobana is vinyati. Okay, jobana is the meaning of the jobana is so it tends to move. It tends to move. Tends to move our hand, our head, our legs, our parts of the body together with the wire dhatu. That they go jobana kaya. Okay, here, so in this context, so among these three types of kaya, so which kaya we refer to is kaya vinyati. Okay, kaya vinyati is said to be kaya. Okay, in this context. So because without kaya vinyati,
So that means the Jobana Gaya, right?
yeah, that
Okay.
one. So because of this jobana kaya or kaya vinyati is the cause in the accomplishment of the killing, stealing, sexual misconduct. That's why it is called dwara as well. Okay. So through this, like a door, dwara means a door. Through the door, people come in or go out. Okay. So also through this vinyati, through this jobana kaya or kaya vinyati, we accomplish this bodily, this killing, stealing, or misconduct. So that's why this kaya itself is called dwara. Okay, kaya yewa dwara, kaya dwaram. This kaya vinyati itself is a dwara. That's why it is called kaya dwara. Okay. Mahula hodi do kaya gamanama. Okay. Because as you see, these killing, stealing, misconduct, they can be committed not only by ourselves. Sometimes we ask other people to commit also. Sometimes we throw. Okay. Sometimes we set up the trap or maybe a mine or whatever. So in many ways we can accomplish, but it mostly happen in the mind, in the body door. Okay, that's why bahula wodi door. Okay, bahula bahu. Okay, bahula sa bawa bahula. So repeatedly happening. So that's why it is a called Even though, for example, we ask other people to steal others' property. Okay, other time we commit stealing through the verbal action, but this one we should not include under the Vachi Dwara, but it should be included under the Kaya Dwara or Kaya Kamma. Okay. So sometimes it can happen in the body door, mind door, or what, Bhava door, but we should not go. Then as a Vajidwara or Manodwara or Vajigama, Manogama, because it mostly happen, okay, mostly happen in the body door. Here example is giving as a Vanajaraka. Vanajaraka means one hunter, forest hunter. Wana is a forest, Jaraka means go around and hunt animal. So Wana Jaraka is a forest hunter. Sometimes after hunting, he may go to the village or he may visit to the cities. Other time we don't call him, his name don't change. Okay, as a Kama Jaraka or Nagara Jaraka, but we still call him as a Wana Jaraka. Okay. Because mostly he hunt in the forest. So also in this context also, mostly these actions are accomplished through the body door. That's why these actions are called Kaya Kamma. So that is something about the Kaya Kamma. So today we finish Kaya Kamma. So these karma, including, even though among these 10 immoral action, Sura Media is not included, but it is related to the, okay, it also mostly happen in the body door. And that's why we try to discuss about that. Sura Media is more, according to the test, very dangerous. It can destroy our present our present status, present conditions. It can lead us to the loss of wealth, loss of health, loss of reputation, okay, loss of shame, become shameless, okay. And also, if we drink, so we leave our parents, our families unprotected, okay. So, and also, if we drink, if we are addicted to alcohol, we lost the control. Even we forget the gratitude of the parents or any other persons who are worthy to be respected. So, like Sagata, because of the alcohol, he forgot even the Buddha. Okay? He showed disrespect even to the Buddha. So that is so dangerous. That's why it should be avoided. If we are addicted to this alcohol and also narcotic drinks and drugs, then what happens? It can make us to commit many crimes, many immoral actions, so that it will lead to the woeful states. More dangerous, even though the Buddha said it is a less here means if we are fortunate enough to be born as a human being, it can make us crazy. It can make us a mad, loss of consciousness. Okay, so that is very dangerous. That's why, so we should avoid physically physical or bodily immoral actions. If we include Sura Media or immoral actions, we should avoid. So with this, we will conclude for today.
I'm sorry, Xiao, there's still one question.
Okay.
For example, so one time is so if one person, he himself doesn't drink alcohol, but he bought the alcohol for others. So does this break the 5 precepts of the Panchashila?
He don't drink alcohol by himself. He
Yes.
asked.
No,
Oh,
but he bought it for others.
he
He bought it.
bought.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay.
So we gave it for others.
Bought. Yeah, sometimes I don't know other country in Myanmar. Sometimes parents they ask their children to go and buy alcohol. But in most of the countries, it is restricted. Under 16, they are not allowed to buy. They are not allowed to sell. But in some countries, that law is not okay, not applied, not added. That's why even the children they go and buy. So that is also we have seen. But whether we maybe if we go and buy, so there we have a we have to analyze in two ways. Sometimes we don't want to buy, we don't want to go and buy, but because of the force, okay, other people force you to buy, okay, then you have to do it because of out of out of danger. Maybe if sometime maybe father he want to drink, but he cannot go by himself. Other than out of love, out of pity to the father, maybe children go and buy alcohol. Though in that case, in his mind, he don't want his father or another person to drink alcohol, but because of certain reason, he has to go and buy. So that one is not so serious, not so big mistakes. Rather, we can say a kind of being dutiful, okay? Also trying to avoid any expected dangers. But sometimes we buy alcohol and serve. So, for example, we have
I'm
some.
sorry, what the second one?
Second one is we are willing to buy, and also we are willing to serve. For example, we have a guest. Okay, some of the guests they come. Okay, and then you serve after buying. So you bought and serve these your friends or visitors with the alcohol. In that case, you want them to drink. Okay, you want them to make what? To make you want to make them loss of control or become a drunkard. Okay, so in that case, it is a little bit serious. But so long as you don't drink alcohol, you are not committing surabana. You are not breaking the rule. Okay, so long as you are not drinking by yourself, so then you are not breaking the Sura Mereya Meja Pamadhatana, the fifth precept. Okay. But just in the case of a buying, the answer I'm trying to give is whether it is a serious mistake or not serious. Okay. So that point we have to keep in mind.
Okay, thank you so much, Cielo.
Okay. So Buddha Sasana Jiran Datadu, Buddha Sasana Jiran Datadu, Buddha Sasana Jiran Datadu, Sadhu, Sadhu, Sadhu.